How to find a high probability mean reversion trade. What you can see here is a 30-minute time frame. Notice where the range is from up here to down here. This is the midline. Notice how the price action dumps right here, rips up very violently, trickles down, rips up violently here, rips down violently, rips up violently again. This is called a slip range. Now we zoom into a 10-second chart. This red line up here is the top of that range we marked on the 30-minute chart. This yellow line here is the midpoint. Notice how the price action is trending up and channeling. Look at the price action right here in this section. We'll zoom in on it. Now that we're zoomed in on the price action, you can make a few observations here. Much like the 30-minute chart, you have a reclaim up, reclaim down. Market walks up, dumps, reclaims up, and is now dumping in hard. However, it is chopping on the way down. This center section with these reclaims are what I call a slip range. What we know is we have some fractal price action going on 2 time frames. There's a slip range forming on this 10-second chart. These 3 bars on the 30-minute chart you're looking at is the same price action that we just looked at on the 10-second chart. Here are those 3 bars on the 30-minute chart on the 10-second chart we just looked at. We zoom in further on a 3-second chart to really hone in on our entry. Again, really seeing how the market is ripping up, ripping down, creating 2 reclaims, grinding up, ripping down, ripping up, creating 2 more reclaims, thus ripping back down, ripping back up, creating even more reclaims. This is a slip range. What we know is we have a range and a range. As we zoom in further on this 3-second chart, notice how the market has dumped and is ripping back up. It is above the 30-minute time frame range top. Zooming back out, we can see that this red line is also the midline of what appears to be a new range. So we have a range inside of a range. Zooming back in, we can see right in this area, we will have range advantage on 2 time frames, as well as slip advantage. What you're about to see me do is enter short on this red line, which is 30 even, into this high probability setup. I have a hard time and I have to fight my way into this position. As you can see, we're short 30 even. Since I am a momentum scalper, I'm not looking to hold for a large move. Instead, I'm trying to be conservative on this trade. What I start doing is getting ready to exit at 28.25, entering a limit order, getting filled, making $1,000. If you like this content and want to see more in-depth look at my trading, feel free to join the coffee. Scan the QR code or enter the URL coffee.com/Fat Cats of Wall Street.